The Jeep Avenger has received a mediocre 3-star rating in the most recent round of Euro New Car Assessment Program NCAP safety testing. The compact crossover SUV showed some weaknesses, particularly in side impact protection for 10-year-old rear passengers and in the effectiveness of its autonomous emergency braking system. Additionally, Euro NCAP criticized the vehicle for not including a child presence detection system, which is becoming more common in today's safety technology. Despite these shortcomings, the Avenger performed well in certain areas. It achieved respectable scores in adult occupant protection, with a rating of 79%, and child occupant protection, receiving a 70% rating. These numbers show that while the Avenger has its strengths, there is still significant room for improvement in other safety aspects. Euro NCAP Secretary General Michiel van Rotingen expressed disappointment, noting that Jeep showed a clear lack of ambition in terms of safety. He stressed that while the automotive industry faces growing competition, safety should never be compromised in favor of cost-cutting measures. Stellantis, Jeep's parent company, responded by reaffirming its commitment to enhancing safety with each new generation of vehicles. They acknowledged that Euro NCAP is only one part of the safety evaluation process, and they aim to integrate proven technologies wherever relevant. In contrast, competitors such as the Renault Captur and Audi Q6 e-tron performed better in recent tests, with higher safety ratings, highlighting the competitive nature of safety standards in today's market.